Put your hands behind your back for me.
Oh my god, stop arresting me.
We're not. We're just going to... Don't do that.
We're detaining you right now.
On May 21st, 2024, law enforcement at a South Florida airport responded to a boarding gate disturbance. The subject was Shannon Isabel O'Malley, age 24. This analysis addresses the legal framework governing the encounter, not its factual narrative.
We're not landing around the airplane. No? Okay. So that's her right there? How you doing, man?
Hey.
Come over here. You want to talk to me real quick?
Yeah.
No touching.
Where are you going?
What's going on?
What are you doing?
No, they came to wanted me to talk to you. What's going on?
Why? Why me?
Listen, you're a little bit intoxicated.
No, I'm not.
No? Alright, listen. I need you to keep your space. Keep your space. What's going on? Where are you flying to?
Shannon Valley, yeah.
Where are you flying to?
To Miami.
To Miami?
Yes.
From Florida, you go to Miami?
Yes.
You got your passport or your
Yes.
ID?
No, I need to find my ID right
Where's
here.
the flight going to? This is probably Dallas.
I literally could throw my ass on you right now. Like,
I don't want that though. I don't want that.
don't leave, bitch. Okay, ready?
Thank you.
Eating it up, like, let me run, like, I'm free, like, look at me, like, I'm literally killing it.
Is she on your flight?
What's the
last name?
Shannon.
What's the last name? Can you check for me? Are you on this flight?
Yes, I am.
To Dallas?
Yes.
It's happening in our community here in South Florida. We urge
Give me a second, but you can't get too close.
behavior by calling 911 so that law enforcement officials can hurry to investigate.
Signal.
Thank you for your attention.
They're not gonna let her fly. Does she know that? Huh? Does she know that? Shannon. Hold on, just let me confirm something before I give you your ID back.
Yeah, I know that's mine.
You got your boarding pass?
Yes.
Let me see it.
Shut the fuck up, that's literally me, like, give me that, give me it.
No, relax. I'm gonna try to help you out.
No, you're literally acting dumb as f***, like, that's literally me, like, give me that.
No, I need your boarding pass.
I don't have it.
Okay, but listen.
You don't have a boarding pass. You can't get on the plane.
Shut the f*** up, yes I do, like, give me that. Give me that shit.
Stop getting close to me. Stop getting close to me. That's it. I'm not gonna tell you again. She's
No,
not?
give me that shit.
Oh, you're not on this flight though.
Yes, I am.
Where's your ticket? That's what
Can
I'm
I have
saying.
that? That's my ID, like, that's
Hey,
my...
give us a second.
That's
Where's
my
your?
ID.
Okay, where's your ticket?
You're not on this flight. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to help you out. Let me get your boarding pass. You're not going to Dallas right now.
No, I don't need to go to Dallas, but, like, that's my ID,
So
like...
where are you gonna fly to?
With you, like, why are you leaving me?
I can walk you out and help you
Okay,
out.
let's go.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Well, grab your bag.
Thank you, sir.
Where are you flying to?
Why are you yelling at me? Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Like, you're shit on my shit.
I'm
Like,
trying to help you out.
no,
You're
I
about
did
to get on a
not.
flight.
No, I did not like that. You're, like, yelling at me. You were yelling at me like...
No,
Yes,
I never said that.
Yes,
I never said that.
Yes, you were.
Everything's recorded.
I did not like that.
Where are we flying to so I can help you out?
No, I don't want to go there. Like,
Okay, but where are you going?
wherever you're going there, I was actually pissed off like that. People were flying and shitting on me. I was like pissed off.
Where did you come from?
Miami, like, I'm pissed. Like, I don't know what the f just happened, but I'm pissed. You were literally obsessed with me. Like, I didn't like that. Like, I didn't like that.
I know.
No, I didn't like that.
We're just trying to help you out because you were about to get on a flight that you
No, I did not like that. Like, I did
Where are we
not.
flying to? You know?
Miami, yeah.
Signal 2. She was about to get on a flight that she wasn't. Oh yeah. So I guess she was rolling up on people on the line, so they called us. I get there, she's obviously
She's very friendly.
yeah, very friendly. And then when I go, hey, can you check if she's on the flight? She's not. She's not on the flight. And I'm asking her, let me see her boarding pass. She just keeps saying that she's flying to Miami. So, Shannon, let's go. Let me get you to your flight.
That guy just, cruised. So we're really paying him.
Let's go.
Oh, fuck your shit up.
You what?
Yes.
You gonna do what?
Yes, I've been waiting for you my whole life. Where have you been? Where the f have you been?
What? Don't stop grabbing.
Sorry, my bad.
Come on. Shannon, let me see your boarding pass so I can get you to the right flight.
No, I don't need that. No.
So where are you gonna go?
Wherever you guys want to go.
All right, let's go outside.
Nobody wants to go home. I know it.
Let's go this way. Stop.
Oh my god. Where are you going?
Right here.
Oh my god.
The VIP treatment.
That is so sexy. Wait, hold on.
Stop grabbing. Come on. Let's do that, right?
Grab my hand.
Stop grabbing. It's like, Shannon, let me get your boarding pass
No.
so I can help you out.
No, let's all go together. Let's have fun.
Did you just fly in from
No,
somewhere?
yes, let's all have fun together. Let's go.
Sit down. Let me
No,
help.
let's all have fun together. Come on. Like,
can't.
let's all have fun together. No, we're gonna have a greatest ass time together.
You got something across right here.
Yeah.
No, I don't need help. You need f***ing help. You
Don't do that. Don't do that. Have a seat.
Sit down.
need f***ing help. No, actually, like, you need f***ing help.
Don't do that in front of him. You get
No, you need f***ing help. Like, get your shit together.
Let me- You have somewhere to go?
No, I don't have anywhere to go. Let's.
Florida Statute Section 394-463, the Baker Act, authorizes involuntary psychiatric examination. 3 independent criteria must be satisfied for a lawful Baker Act initiation. Criterion 1. The individual appears to have a mental illness. Criterion 2. The individual refuses voluntary examination or cannot determine the need for it. Criterion 3. The individual poses a danger to self or others or is unable to care for herself. Criterion 1 was satisfied by disorganized speech and contradictory statements about travel destination. The subject provided 3 mutually exclusive travel destinations within a single conversation. Criterion 2 was satisfied by repeated explicit refusal of officers' offers of voluntary assistance. Criterion 3 was satisfied when the subject stated she had nowhere to go. Inability to secure shelter is a recognized inability to self-care indicator under Florida case law. All 3 Baker Act criteria were documented on camera by approximately the 8-minute mark. The Baker Act does not require the subject's consent, only the officer's reasonable belief. Reasonable belief existed. Baker Act initiation, not criminal arrest, was the correct legal response.
Like, let's go have fun. Come on.
You miss
Come
it?
on.
Just wait.
No.
You want to talk to you?
No, come on. Let's go have fun. No, I'm from South Dakota.
South Dakota.
3 Yankee, Nike. You copy one for 29
Okay, let's
pieces.
go. South Dakota. Let's go.
We gotta get you some help. Relax. There you go.
I don't need any help. I don't need any
Wow,
fucking
we
help.
gotta try to help you out.
No,
It's gonna be a white female. First name Sierra Hotel Alpha November, Oscar November. Middle name is gonna be India Sierra Alpha correction. Middle name is gonna be India Sierra Alpha Bravo Echo Lima Echo. And last name is gonna be O'Malley Oscar M Mike Alpha Lima Echo Yankee. Date of birth is going to be 06/02/1999. And I have
Yeah,
a
let's
South
go.
Dakota
Let's
driver license
go.
if you need it. I need you to sit
Trying to
down.
help you, mama.
I'm trying to help you.
You gotta sit down and try to get you some assistance, alright?
South Dakota
What's
01558-729.
Relax. Have a seat.
No, stop. Don't touch me. Don't
Relax.
touch
Have a
me.
seat. Have a seat. Be
Don't
nice.
touch me.
Be nice. Okay, have a seat. You about to be in handcuffs.
She can see I'm
Yeah. And leave him alone too.
disregard. Hey, Shannon, over here. Sit over here. Sit over here. Sit over here. Sit right there.
Not really what? Listening? Bother.
Shut up.
I'm just not gonna leave this at the choice. That's the only one that the people we arrest fight control. She's a lover, not a fighter.
Yeah, what the f are you guys talking about? Please shut up. Like, what are you talking about?
I'm trying to help you. Is anybody we can call? Family member?
What are you doing?
Any family member we can
We're
call?
trying to help you. We're just trying to help you. That's all.
Huh? Not quite. Like yesterday for Friday. I'll make sure go. This will be EOC. So what was she at? JetBlue? When you say it's not on JetBlue?
American.
She American. Wasn't on.
Flying out to Dallas, and then she wasn't on the flight. But
What airline were you flying on? Do you remember?
Wait, I know where I'm going. Like, it's
Where you
actually
going?
like right over there.
Where are you going?
come over here. Look, I got your ID.
Where are you going? What airline? What city?
What
you
air-
going to?
Airport. Literally, it's right over there.
Look at pictures. Now go over there. Take the counter and see if she's.
No, literally, what are you doing? Like
Stop.
that's
Be
really
nice. Be nice. Be nice.
No,
Trying to be
actually,
nice.
that's not it. What are you doing?
We're trying to help you out. Find out where you're going. Don't do that. Put your hands behind your back for me.
Oh my God! Stop arresting me.
We're not. We're just going.
Shut up.
Don't do that. Be nice.
Are you f***ing kidding me?
We're detaining you right
Are you
now.
f***ing kidding me?
Yeah.
Are you f***ing kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you
Relax.
fucking
Relax.
kidding me?
Relax.
No, I'm actually gonna shut up. No, like
Don't
that's
be
not
like that.
funny.
Don't be like that.
No, I'm
We're trying
not
to be
gonna
friends.
shut up. That's not funny.
Don't be like that.
No, that's not funny.
Don't be like that.
That's not funny.
Okay? Be nice.
Stop.
Be
That's
nice.
not funny. That's not funny. Why are you doing this?
Come over here and have a seat.
Why are you
We're trying to
doing
help you. We're trying to help you. You gotta be in. Sit there, alright?
Just relax.
Thank you.
We're trying to help you, Shannon.
We're trying to figure out.
I'm literally gonna f your shit up. What are you
Don't talk
doing?
like that.
No.
The initial approach was predicated on a battery complaint under Florida Statute Section 784(3). Intentional non-consensual touching constitutes misdemeanor battery in Florida. That complaint, reported by airline personnel, provided the legal predicate for officer contact. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, an investigatory stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion. Reasonable suspicion is a lower threshold than probable cause. No arrest authority is required. Florida Statute Section 901151 codifies Terry authority at the state level. It authorizes detention upon founded suspicion that a person has committed or is committing a crime. The battery complaint satisfied that threshold. The initial stop was constitutionally sound. The Fourth Amendment prohibits unreasonable seizures of persons absent continuous legal justification. In Florida v. Bostick, 1991, the Supreme Court addressed encounters in transportation terminals. A Fourth Amendment seizure occurs when a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. Officers retained the subject's identification and directed her movement throughout the terminal. Under Bostick, this constitutes a seizure, regardless of officers' characterization of the contact. A seizure is not inherently unconstitutional. It demands continuous, documented legal justification. Under Terry, that justification must be refreshed as the encounter evolves and new facts emerge. Here, the subject's own statements and behavior continuously supplied and expanded that justification. At the point of Baker Act initiation, the Terry stop legally transitions into a civil commitment hold. That transition requires separate statutory authority, which Florida Statute Section 394.463 provides. The subject used profanity extensively throughout. That conduct is protected by the First Amendment. In City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, the Supreme Court held offensive speech toward officers is protected. An arrest predicated solely on profanity would have violated clearly established constitutional law. Near the footage's conclusion, the subject issued a statement threatening physical harm to an officer. Florida Statute Section 84401 governs threatening language but requires proof of specific criminal intent, given documented signs of mental impairment, proving that intent element presented a substantial challenge. This reinforces that Baker Act initiation was the constitutionally defensible and legally sound pathway. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, force reasonableness is assessed from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision. Officers operated at Level 1, officer presence, and Level 2 verbal commands throughout. The handcuff warning at approximately 9 minutes was a lawful escalation advisory toward Level 3 restraint. It was never executed. No Level 3 or higher force was deployed in the documented footage. The Graham analysis supports officer conduct. Force levels were proportional throughout the encounter. The lead officer receives a grade of B+. Verbal de-escalation was sustained for 13 minutes without resort to physical force. Florida CIT protocols requiring verbal first response to mental health encounters were materially followed. The officer correctly declined to arrest the subject for First Amendment-protected speech. However, no mental health co-responder was requested, a documented gap in CIT protocol compliance. Extended mobile contact through a live terminal prolonged constitutional exposure unnecessarily. Shannon O'Malley receives a grade of C+. No physical violence was initiated. Limited verbal cooperation reduced immediate escalation risk. The threatening statement near the footage's end crosses from protected speech into actionable conduct. Impaired cognitive state is a mitigating factor in sentencing, not an absolute defense to criminal liability. The responding agency receives a grade of B-. Officers documented the encounter and responded appropriately to the predicate battery complaint. No structured mental health co-responder protocol was deployed at a major commercial airport. This is a systemic failure of institutional readiness, not an individual failure of officer conduct. 3 lessons from this encounter carry broader application to law enforcement practice. First, mental health crisis calls at public facilities require co-responder deployment as a matter of protocol. Florida's CIT framework anticipates co-responder models. Their absence creates legal and tactical risk. Second, Baker Act criteria must be documented contemporaneously, not reconstructed after the encounter. Real-time documentation protects the officer, the subject, and the agency in any post-incident review. Third, scene stabilization in public spaces is a constitutional imperative as much as a tactical one. A mobile, unanchored encounter through a live terminal extends Fourth Amendment exposure significantly. Early stabilization narrows legal exposure and reduces risk to bystanders and subject alike. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.